You've done some fabulous work with the colours. So with the C major scale that you have done today, and Preschool Prodigies does this wonderful video. If you haven't seen it already, I'm going to share the link below. You can watch it on, you can subscribe to their website for lessons that you can watch on demand. They also have, if you just want to try it out to sample, they have some videos on YouTube, Prodigies music lessons. And in this video, they do the C major scale from C, D, F, G up to C, and they say the colours and the letters and also the numbers and the solfege. So it's quite a thorough video. So here we start in middle C and we go up to the C, and then we've got the colours. So we've got red, orange. So it's good actually to sing along at home. So red, orange, yellow, green, teal, purple, pink, red, and then go back down again. So then you've got red, pink, purple, teal, green, yellow, orange, red, and then of course you've got the numbers. So if you start from 1, go up to 8, so you've got 1 up to 7, and then 8 is a repeat. So C and C. So red and red. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So they start with the colours. They then do the alphabet. They also do the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of course there are the letters. For some people, they like to think of, instead of letters, they like to think of the animal names. So using dogs and birds, they would be saying, you know, the cat, dog, egg. But some of the older children like to jump straight through and skip the animals, and they go straight to the letter names, and they're confident in singing and identifying the letters. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, G, C. And one step further, we have the solfege. So there is, and they have a whole lot of signs that they go up and down, and there are the hand signs that we can do in another video. But for this video that Preschool Prodigies does, they do sing the solfege as well as the colours and the numbers and the letters. So they go, they would go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and then back down again. And actually, talking about solfege, we have here, there's a website called ultimatemusictheory.com, and they focus on music theory, and they have solfege there, and they have these lovely little stuffy animals. So there's a Solfa and Tito song, and look at these lovely, gorgeous animals. This one here is a music note, you can see, and she has a little bow. So her name is Sola, and his name, he focuses on rhythm. His name's Tito, and these people can help you to remember the solfege. So you can do at the beginning of the solfege with C, D, E, F, it's do, re, mi, fa, s. And then here when you get to G, you've got so, la, and then ti, do. So if you get stuck at do, re, mi, fa, so, then you can just remember, do, re, mi, fa, just remember 4 of them. Do, re, mi, fa. Just remember those 4. And that's all you have to remember, because after that, you've got these lovely little toys to help you. You've got sola and ti, do. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And there you go. But do enjoy these. If you're into the colours, then do have fun with music Preschool Prodigies. And I look forward to catching up with you. Let me know how you get on.